We will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on privacy center, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to profile view notifications. Just click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my profile view notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.